You should see those dudes. There seems to be more than one person who has noticed that XRP is being stifled when it should be going higher in price. XRP's recent bull run resulted in a price decline for this coin. When the coin was delisted from the exchanges, its value plummeted. These huge players will run out of steam, though, and the coin will be free. Regardless of the outcome. XRP is about to deliver huge earnings, and now is your chance to profit from that. You should stock up on XRPs. Let's roll that intro first before we get to the meat of the matter. Hey there, boys and gals. Welcome to Crypto Aussie, where you'll find all the latest and greatest in cryptocurrencies. Those of you who are just discovering the world of cryptocurrencies will want to subscribe and enable the notification bell to stay on top of the latest developments. Welcome back to my Crypto Aussie fam, everyone. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up by clicking the like button. Also, let us know what you think of the video by leaving a comment down below. And let's talk about it down there. As you can see, no other cryptocurrency comes close to XRP in terms of market cap. Everything is coming together for this coin, which has been on the cusp of taking the top slot all along. Guys, in front of our very own eyes, Tranglo's relationship with XRP will have a profound impact on the planet. Asia Pacific has seen great success with the Ripple payment system via RippleNet and open delegated lawyers. To make matters worse, every organization that uses RippleNet is already known to be. No matter what occurs, the value of this coin will remain high. However, the irony is that this development will have no impact on the price of XRP. Why is that? The eradication of influences from outside Ripple is trying to achieve the seemingly impossible. XRP's value must rise in order for it to be a driving force in the crypto industry going forwards. Or it's always on the wrong side of the coin. That should serve as a warning flag that the coin is under attack from both large enterprises and government entities alike. However, when the value of this coin increases, it will become unstoppable and they will be powerless to stop it. According to reports, Nigeria plans to issue a digital currency. Honestly, no financial institution in Nigeria is allowed to engage in or deal with cryptocurrency. The same country has now opted to introduce the e-Naira digital currency. Is there a likeness to be found? I'm curious how the US is handling Ripple. The show-stopping maneuver then forces the audience to spend the central bank's digital money to launch their CBDC. US-based Ripple is one of the very few cryptocurrency companies capable of issuing new coins. Cannabidiol is referred to as CBDC. The US government, or more precisely, the SEC, is definitely attempting to prevent this from happening. Pushing Ripple into a corner until it collapses is the method used to achieve this goal in the United States. The regulatory agency doesn't seem to have any proof against Ripple, but they want to keep XRP and Ripple's speed down anyhow, it seems. However, the reality is now beginning to be recognized by the general public. A peek behind the curtain at what's going on. Fortunately, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, will have to confess it. Inaccuracies on their part, as well as a lack of commitments made during the transaction that's going to happen. For the SEC, this is going to be a headache because, well, this case had flaws from the start. When it comes to convincing its staff that there is nothing wrong with Ripple, the company has done a great job. To say nothing of the fact that the SEC is grabbing at fig leaves. Why did the lawsuit happen despite the fact that it sounded logical? Just when XRP was starting to move up in price, it almost claimed the top spot. A hub for digital currency trading? That's not a random occurrence, either. I don't think the whales anticipated the rise of XRP. In reality, I doubt that anyone expects this coin to enter into any agreements with central banks. But today is the day in question. With every passing second, this coin becomes more successful, forging new alliances and collaborating with financial organizations. Then there's the fact that it all transpired while Ripple was in the middle of a lawsuit. Is it just me, or do Ripple's new partners seem to have a sixth sense about the future of this coin? Suppose you agreed to an agreement with the central bank even though you were still involved in a litigation with. Is the regulating agency located in a different country than you expected? That seems like a fantasy come true. A country's economy revolves around the central bank. And their decisions are usually based on strong reasoning. So, why don't you buy XRP already if such institutions consider Ripple as a wise decision? Without XRP, RippleNet does not exist, and vice versa. According to the public, banks only signed the agreements because they wanted to use RippleNet in their system. As a result, you are utterly incorrect. Both of these things are present at the same time. This is because Ripple can now provide its potential customers with on-demand liquidity and other capabilities thanks to XRP. That, my friends, is a game changer. The genuine crypto monarch, XRP, is about to rise, and I believe it will happen sooner than you think. This cryptographic will fly directly to the moon, where it will spend the night there before returning to Earth the next morning. XRP will be around for the foreseeable future, which is an essential consideration. All Ripple needs to do to comply with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's SEC ruling is register XRP as a securities and pay a fine. That's it. I accomplished my goal. As if things could get worse. It's possible that XRP will be the only cryptocurrency used by everyone. In the eyes of the law, that's invincible. Everything about this coin is going to be a go-go, including the new rules and restrictions. As a result, it'll be the safest cryptocurrency to store your funds on. Despite the slow progress, the coin hasn't stopped traveling. That's part of the appeal. Rather than investing your entire portfolio in XRP, we may now turn our attention to technical analysis, shall we? XRP is taking shape in an intriguing way, and it looks like we're getting closer and closer to launching it. There will undoubtedly be one more rally before the $2 level is broken. We're looking at a bullish corrective structure in this case study. There's also a bullish Gartley pattern, so I'd anticipate some bullishness in the near future. On the daily time scale, XRP is nearing the end of a gigantic triangular pattern. The last time XRP made such a significant move out of a triangular pattern was in April. After which, well, we're all aware of what transpired. Exclamation mark. It will be at least weeks before XRP suddenly drops, so predict a quick rise back to $2. There is also an important support level of $1.09 that I feel XRP will never fall below again after it leaves this triangle formation to the upside. Holders of XRP can look forwards to a happy holiday season. After our team's August forecast of minor corrections in September, we're ready to break the $100,000 barrier. The chart of Bitcoin shows a gigantic 1 to 5 wave formation. As a result, the cost will rise fast, reaching around $90,000. Wave 3 must be completed to ensure success. There will then be a period of adjustment followed by a period of expansion. Bring the Bitcoin value above the psychological barrier of $100,000. Locally speaking, there's still one more 1 to 5 wave to come. That's the range from $30,000 to $90,000. Having more than 60% of the investment in Bitcoins, $BTC, is critical for the upcoming month. After that, there will be another altcoin season amid the correction. It's time to get the festivities started. To get the most out of the current season, make sure you have adequate free time available. Since it's quite likely that things won't get better in the coming years. We are not licensed financial advisors, so please bear that in mind when interacting with us. Everything you see on this channel is solely there to be enjoyed for leisure. In the following comments box, let us know what you think. See you down there, and let's talk. I appreciate you taking the time to look. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. By disabling notifications, you'll be notified as soon as we publish new material. The next video will see you again.